In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check and understand your data privacy settings inside Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to the dashboard. Next, scroll down to the footer of the website or open the support or legal section where you can find links related to privacy. Click on Privacy Policy to open the full document. Inside the privacy policy, you'll see how Artistly AI collects, stores, and protects your data, including what information is saved when you use the platform and how is handled securely. You can also check if they share any data with third parties and what controls you have over your personal information. If you want to be extra safe, always review this section whenever there are updates to their policy so you stay informed about how your data is being used. And that's it. That's how you verify your data privacy in Artistly AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.